Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Photos and signing in. Make sure you grant the app Photos access so it can read your library. Once done, go to Photos settings and toggle backup and sync on, then pick Wi-Fi only or include mobile data. Now return to the main view and tap the Library or Photos tab to begin selecting items. You're now ready to choose specific albums or individual images to upload rather than backing up everything immediately. Next, pick the photos you want. Tap and hold to multi-select, swipe to select ranges, or open an album and use Select All. Once chosen, tap the Upload or Cloud icon. If you're sharing from Photos app, use Share right arrow Google Photos and confirm. While uploading, watch the backup status at the top or in Settings to see progress and any pending items. Make sure your phone stays awake and connected. Interruptions can pause uploads, so keep the app open until finished. Finally, verify uploads by opening Google Photos on another device or visiting Photos. Google.com, the new items should appear within minutes. If uploads stall, check that Google Photos has Photos permission and background refresh enabled, confirm enough iPhone storage, and verify Wi-Fi or mobile signal. If problems persist, force quit and reopen the app, toggle backup and sync off and on, or sign out and sign back in to reset the connection. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.